Here's your first one. Complete the name of this fluffy little one. It's a chick. Easy, right? Let's keep going. This next one is wagging its tail for you. What's the name of this adorable baby? It's a pup. This one's purring its way into your heart. It's a kitten. This one might make you think of a woodland fairy tale. What's the baby name? It's a fawn. Let's keep swimming along. Fill in the blanks. It's a gosling. No relation to Ryan Gosling. This little roarer is waiting for you to name it. It's a cub. All right, it's time to get serious. Fill in the blanks. It's a calf. This one might bug you a bit. What's the baby name? Yes. It's a lava. Hop to it. What's the name for? It's a joey. How you doing? You've made it to the final challenge. This one is super rare. Can you guess? Wow. It's a puggle. The baby name for a platypus. How did you do? Share your score below, and don't forget to hit that like button if you had fun. Subscribe for more quizzes that make you smile and think. See you next time.